going to be planting some daylily slips that I picked up from my buddy at Urban Harvest. I've been keeping them in wet paper towel just to keep the roots moistened until I was ready to plant. These are an awesome little flower to add to your vegetable or herb garden because everything on the daylily is 100% edible. From the flowers that can be crushed up and placed into a tea, from the little tubers that grow off like potatoes that can be diced up and placed into salad. Everything is full of vitamin C and about as much vitamin A as a single asparagus spear. So definitely consider growing some daylilies. Plus, the flower itself can attract more pollinators to your overall garden, which is always a bonus. Enjoy life, enjoy family, and enjoy your garden. Thanks for watching, guys.